Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Bitcoin daily video. Today we are talking about Bitcoin itself, a pattern that we've been watching that's been happening over and over during the course of this bull run. So we want to kind of just point that out today, talk about that, see where we think is going from there. And that's pretty much it. We're going to keep it nice and simple today. Make sure to please be subscribed, guys. Make sure to hit that like button and hit that notification bell, because it just helps us continue to spread this knowledge and information out into the community, man. So let's jump right in, guys. Let me get my face out of the way. My face is always in the way. All right, guys. So this is currently what we're looking at right now. You guys can see that this bull flag has been forming here. I think even if you go to the daily, so on the daily it's kind of a little baby bull flag, but you'll see here there's also the same similar bull flag, and here, you know what I mean? So let's jump back to the 4 hour. So we see this happen basically, you know, it's been happening throughout this entire run. So what this is just, you know, an impulse move up, consolidation, and then another impulse move up, consolidation, move up, consolidation, move up, consolidation, right? So we've just been seeing the same move over and over again this entire way up to the where we're currently at, which is basically at 18K, right? So how do you trade bull flags, right? How do you know where to enter? How do you trade it? What are the trade setups that you look for? So what you have to account for is that for the most part, it's trading within a range, right? So you have to pick the top and bottom of the range and then set a stop loss below where that range would be, right? So you'll notice that as it continues to consolidate, the range usually gets tighter and tighter. Look at this first range. What was that? The high was 18,500, the low was 17,221. So that's a crazy range, right? That's a $1,300 range. So that's very difficult to trade, because where do you put your stops? Then the next day, you know, it got a little bit smaller. Then this day it did get big, but you know, it happens. Then it got tighter, pretty much the same. And then we had this little drop here, but we saw that once it hit this support, the bottom of the range, it bounced right back up. So today we've had more of a green day, and then as soon as we got to the top of that range, then we got rejected right back down, right? So that's currently what we're looking at. So the idea here when you're trading a bull flag is to try to buy towards the bottom of this support here and sell, be taking profits by the time you get to the top of it. So the idea would have been, you know, ride this up. As soon as this got here, you should have been taking profits. As soon as it came down here, you should have been looking for entries on that bounce, right? Boom, you would have taken profits again. Then you would have, you know, just chilled, just sat out on this drop. You would have been out of it. But as soon as it started bouncing back up, this is where you want to enter, right? Boom, entry. You would have been taking profits as you got closer and closer to the top of it. Then same thing, you just keep doing the same thing over and over. So if we're looking here, we're looking for the average entry would be between 5 to 600, right? This is where it continues to touch here. So you're looking for an entry within 5 to 600 that's close to this support here. And then remember, the way that we like to enter these when they're dropping like this, so where we like to enter these support entries, we want to see a test of the support, and then we want to catch it on the bounce. So you don't really want to catch it as it's falling, because who knows how low that's going to fall. Imagine if you would have tried to catch this, you would have probably been stopped out, because you would have entered, I don't know where, but you would have entered somewhere, probably 18,000 something. You would have stopped right out. Look at this, it went all the way down here. So what I did is I watched it go down, and then as soon as I saw it bouncing back up, that's where I entered. So that's exactly what you want to do on these entries whenever you're taking a support entry. You're just looking for this drop, and then you're looking for an entry down here. So the level for that we're looking at right now for ourselves to take a trade in is between 500 to 600. right? You see, yesterday we were in that range, but we went way below all the way to 300. But you see how it bounced, right? So ideally, you would have wanted to enter there on that as soon as it was bouncing back up, and you could have rolled that all the way to 18,200. So it works. You just got to do it, you know. So we actually, that is an exact trade that we took yesterday in our trade group. So today and tomorrow, what we're looking at is we're currently, you see that it's at the top of this range. So we really have no interest in entering any trades here unless we break out, right? So the breakout is probably going to be above 200 at this point. That's this high, but the high of the year is up here, right? That 500 mark. What is it? Yeah, 18,500. So if you want to be really safe, then you're putting your breakout entries above 500. If you're okay with taking a little, a little chance, then you could put your entries either above 300 or above 200 here, above this one, which is the high of the day. So usually we go with the highs of the day. So for us, we're looking to enter above the high of the day here, which is 230 and a half. So we're looking for entries above that, right? And then the second trade setup that we're looking at is down here on the bottom of the range. So this entry is between 500 and 600, right? So ideally what we want to see is a test of 500, and then as soon as we see that it's picking back up, we want to enter as soon as it crosses that 600 range, right? So that's that bounce that we're looking for, and to ride that back up to the top of the range, then we're taking profits at 18K. And if it continues up, then we keep riding it up. If not, then we're just staying out until it comes back down, or it decides on a direction. It has to pick a direction. Until it picks a direction, it's hard to trade this unless you're trading the range. So that's pretty much it for this bull flag and how we're trading it right now. You can see if we look at history, it kind of did the same thing, right? So it went from the bottom to the top of the range. It did hold, but it grinded down slowly, right? You see that it got rejected, got way rejected. So you would have been buying at the bottom of this range down here. And then you would have rolled it back up, rejected, and then bottom of the range again. If you'd have bought that bottom of the range, boom, takeoff, right? And that's one hell of a takeoff here. So so this takeoff was from what, 15,800 to 18,500. That's a $3,000 trade, right? So that's a $3,000 move. That is huge. So that's currently what we're looking at, and that's what we're trading. Those are the trade setups that we have set up for today, for the rest of the day and tomorrow. Anything else in between, we're really not interested in trading it because there's so much consolidation. What's going to happen is you're going to just get stopped out a bunch of times, and that's going to eat into your profits. So the way to avoid giving back profits at this point, we've made a lot of profits on the way up here. So you want to preserve capital, right? Preserving capital is just as important as making profits, right? If you can't preserve your capital, then you can't be a successful trader, because you're always just going to be giving profits back, right? So so that's what we're looking at right now for today. Tomorrow we will do a full market analysis on Bitcoin and on some of the other coins, and give you trade setups that we're looking at for the weekend, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. We just wanted to make it short and sweet today. We appreciate all the love that we've been getting. We've been getting a bunch of likes. We've been getting a bunch of views and comments, subscribers. So we appreciate all you greatly. You guys have no idea how much we appreciate it. We just want to continue to grow this. We hit that 2,000 sub mark, and now we just want to keep going. That next milestone is 10,000. So that's what we're shooting for next. So that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. For the question of the day today, we're going to do a question of the day. What are the trade setups that I'm looking for in Bitcoin in this bull flag? And that's pretty much it, guys. So drop your answers in the comments. Once we get 20 likes, we will do a giveaway, a 3 months membership in our trade room, where we basically share all our trades with you. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate you. As always, peace and love. Remember guys, Bybit is currently having a special for anyone that's leaving BitMEX. That's right, you know what's going on with BitMEX. They have that KYC. You got to give them your social security number, your address, your credit card numbers, your life and your soul. So right now we have switched over to Bybit, and we recommend that you do the same. If you're interested in trading on Bybit, all you got to do on this video or any other video, just go ahead and click this video, go to the bottom of the video, and in the comments you will see the pinned by Bitcoin Daily, right? Let me pause this because it's playing. All you got to do is go ahead and hit boom right there. Once you hit that, it's going to bring you up to this page. You're just going to create your free account. You could create it using email or mobile, whatever you like. And then once you create it, you're going to go ahead and come over here to the promotions tab, hit Rewards Hub. And once you're in Rewards Hub, you're going to type in very simply win 500. Then you're gonna hit redeem. Once you type it, make sure to type it with all capital letters, money sign 500, hit redeem, boom. And then you can see right here, it says thank you for participating in Bybit's bonus giveaway. So they're giving away $500 bonus. You have until December 10th, 2020 for your net deposit to accumulate additional bonuses. You will receive your rewards within 15 working days after the event ends. So that means that on Christmas morning, you will receive your bonus. Okay, and all you got to do from there is hit deposit now. Now remember, also if you use our link, you're supporting our channel, which we are very, very grateful for. So thank you guys so much. Enjoy your day.